Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mammot from My Singing Monsters. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mammot from My Singing Monsters, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another circle for the eye right here. Now inside of here I'm going to make a circle shape for the pupil and I'll do the same thing inside this one. Then I'm going to make another small circle and then just color in the inside. Let's make another small circle and I'll just color right around there. Now right around this eye I'm going to make a little circle shape. Then I'll do the same thing here. We're going to make another little circle shape right around the outside of this eye. Now, starting here, let's make a great big smile. Then we're going to curve this down. And we're going to come right up here for a big mouth. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to make that exact same shape for like the lips. So I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go right across the top. And then we're just going to do that same thing all the way around here. Now right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up for one of the teeth. And I'll do the same thing here, but we're going to leave some space in between it. Then I'm going to make another line that goes over and up. Same thing here, over and up. Then I'll make another one here that does the same thing. Now right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down, and same thing, up, over, and down. And then I'll do the same thing on each side just to kind of make some more teeth in there. Now starting here I'm going to make a little U shape. Then I'll make a line that's going to curve down here and then curve down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little point at the top and then another little one here. And then I'll make one more right here. Now, I'm going to bring this line down, and as I do, I'm going to make some little points on there. So I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to put some little points that come down. Now, as I come down, I'm going to continue with these points, and I'm going to bring them down to about here. Same thing, I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to make these little points on here. Next, I'm going to make these little points come across, and same thing here. I'm going to make some little points come across. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes up on each side. So I'm going to make a little line that just comes up on each side. Make it come nice and high up there. Now, I want to make the fingers. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and come up. And we'll do the same thing here. Just kind of go down and then curve it up. Make another one here. We're going to go down and curve around. One here out and then kind of curve it up. Same thing here. We're just going to curve around and come up. And then one more right here. We'll make a curved line here and a curved line here for a fingernail. And we'll do one here on the opposite side. So same thing here. Curve it down and around. One here down and around, down and around. Now, starting out here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out here. And we'll do the same thing. We're going to start here, just go right across the bottom of that finger. And then we're going to make some little zigzag lines that come across here. I'm going to bring this line up and then in. Same thing here. I'm going to bring this in and then up. Then we'll make a little line across. Now we're going to make some of the toes. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a big curved line for a toe. I'll make another one right here, and then one more right here. Same thing here. Let's start right about here, make a big curved line for a toe. We'll make one right here, and then one will start right up here at the top and then curve it in. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up to here. Same thing, come down, and then we're going to go right up to here. Now this time I'm going to curve down and up for the toenail. Down and up, and then down and up. Let's do that same thing here. Go down and up, down and up, down and up. Now I'm going to make a little curved line under here for some details, and then a little line underneath each eye. I'm going to make a couple little lines in here. And then same thing here, just to make them look a little bit furrier. And there you go, there is your drawing of Mammot from My Singing Monster. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.